Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NAT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of showing these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I'll let you this time frame. It's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Another monster movement today. Big price action, and then even bigger volume on the day, so things just continue to ramp up. So updates need to be done. Did this analysis on Monday, so that's where the red and green line annotations are coming from. First thing I'm going to do is just get rid of that line. Sure, that level pertains, just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. The first update that needs to be done, though, comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So 315, one of the newest areas of support. The ideal level of support now going forward, and we've said, hey Clay, what makes this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can stay up above 350. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 350, I'm not saying the entire chart is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that level, that would certainly be a huge sign of power going forward. And then as I've talked about in past videos, from the overarching point of view, just continue to watch that purple line there, the 50-period simple moving average. As the name implies, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So from the grand scheme of it all, as far as measuring the health of the move, this right here being defined as the move, just continue to watch that purple line, and as long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. What about newer levels of resistance? For this, we need to change to the daily time frame. And we got to once again stretch all the way back here, which just goes to show that the price has not been up this high for literally years. So not like months or anything, but years. So let's see here. There we go. So next key level of resistance, keep an eye on right up there at $3.85. And the next key level after that up there at the $4 mark. So $3.85, $4, next two key battlegrounds going forward. But just keep plowing away with those higher bases and sit back and let the trend continue to do its thing. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.